This is number base. Conversion of base 2 to base 10. That is conversion of binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. What do we do? Now, it is understood that base 10 is bigger than base 2. So in another number base, we have two different methods. The first one is expansion method and we have division method. When we are moving from smaller base to a bigger base, we use expansion method. How do we do that? Now, we take it one after the other. We take this 1 times the number base plus we take the second one. 1 times the number base plus we take the third one. 1 times the number base plus we take the fourth one. 1 times the number base. So we start from here 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3, that's 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2, that's 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Now 1 times 8, that should be 8. Plus 1 times 4, that should be 4. Plus 1 times 2, that should be 2. Plus 1 times 1, that should be 1. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, that should be 15 to base 10. Therefore, 1, 1, 1, 1 in base 2 is equal to 15 in base 10. This is the answer. Going with another decimal. Now, going with another binary base, which is the base 2, with this decimal point, and we have to convert it to base 10. This is the method we have to use here. We start from here. This one will be raised to the power of 0, this one will be raised to the power of 1, 2, and 3. Going to this side, we have minus 1, minus 2. Let's take them one after the other. This should have 3. So it means 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3, plus we are taking this now. 1 times 2, which is the number base, raised to the power of 2, plus this 0. 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1, plus 1 times 2 is 1 raised to the power of 0, plus 1 times 2 again, now raised to the power of minus 1 at this end, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of minus 2. This will be 1 times 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1, let's say this power 0 is 1, plus 1 times 1 over 2 plus 1 times 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. Now 1 times 8, that should be 8, plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. 8 plus 4, that's 12. 12 plus 1, that's 13. So we have 13 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. So we have 13 plus, find the LCM of this, that's 4. 2 in 4, that's 2. 2 times 1, 2. Plus 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 1, 1. So here we have 13 plus 2 plus 1, that should be 3 over 4. So the answer here is 13 whole number 3 over 4 in base 10. So therefore, 1101.11 base 2 is equal to 13 whole number 3 over 4. You can use your calculator to solve this and get your decimal point. This is in base 10. Do well to subscribe to our channel, like our video, share this video if you really enjoyed it,